In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Banggood App 2025, step by step. Let's get started by opening any web browser you're comfortable with. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari all work great. In the address bar, type banggood.com and press enter. This takes you to the official Banggood website where you can create your account safely. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see options for sign in and register. Click that area to open the account panel, then choose Register. Banggood gives you a few ways to sign up. You can register using your email address, or you can continue with a Google or Facebook account if you prefer a quicker setup. Using Google or Facebook is convenient because it pulls your basic info from your existing account, while email registration gives you more control over your login details. If you're registering with email, type in your email address carefully to avoid typos, then create a password you'll remember. Aim for something strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. When you're ready, click Send Code. Banggood will email you a verification code to confirm it's really you. Keep your email inbox open, and if you don't see the message within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder. Copy the code from the email, return to the Banggood page, paste or type the code in the verification box, and then click Register or Confirm to finish. After a successful registration, most users are automatically logged in. If you're not, simply click Sign In and enter the same email and password you just set up. If you use Google or Facebook, choose that option again to log in with a single click. Now it's a good idea to set up your account details so checkout is faster later. Go to My Account, then add your shipping address exactly as your local courier expects it. Include apartment or unit numbers and a correct postal code. Next, set your country or region, which helps Banggood show accurate shipping options, delivery times, and currency. Finally, save your contact details so you can receive order updates. Double check everything before saving to avoid delivery issues. That's it. You've created your Banggood account, confirmed it, and set up your essential details. If anything doesn't appear right, you can always return to My Account to edit your information. Enjoy exploring and happy shopping.